Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest news and analysis on legal matters. Today, we have an intriguing topic to discuss: the desperate attempts by former President Donald Trump to exclude his own conduct in a criminal case. In this video, we will delve into the legal maneuvers and analyze the implications of Trump's strategy. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the details of Trump's legal maneuvers, let's provide some context. Trump is currently facing a criminal case that alleges wrongdoing during his time in office. This case has garnered significant attention as it raises important questions about presidential accountability and the rule of law. To understand Trump's attempts to exclude his own conduct, let's first examine the details of the criminal case. The charges against him range from obstruction of justice to financial improprieties. It is important to note that these charges are still under investigation and have not been proven in a court of law. Now that we have a grasp of the case, let's explore the legal maneuvers employed by Trump's defense team. They are attempting to distance Trump from any potential wrongdoing by arguing that his actions were protected by presidential immunity, executive privilege, or other legal principles. These arguments are aimed at excluding Trump's own conduct from the case. One of the key arguments put forth by Trump's legal team is the concept of presidential immunity. They contend that as the President of the United States, Trump was immune from criminal prosecution for any actions taken during his time in office. This argument is based on the idea that holding a sitting president accountable could interfere with their ability to perform their duties. Another legal maneuver employed by Trump's defense team is the invocation of executive privilege. They argue that certain conversations and documents related to the case should be protected from disclosure on the grounds of preserving the confidentiality of presidential communications. This argument aims to prevent evidence that could potentially implicate Trump from being admitted in court. In addition to presidential immunity and executive privilege, Trump's defense team may employ other legal strategies to exclude his own conduct from the case. These could include challenging the admissibility of evidence, disputing the credibility of witnesses, or raising procedural issues. These maneuvers are aimed at creating reasonable doubt and weakening the prosecution's case. The desperate attempts by Trump to exclude his own conduct from the criminal case have significant implications for the legal system and the concept of presidential accountability. If successful, these legal maneuvers could set a precedent that shields future presidents from criminal prosecution, potentially undermining the checks and balances that are vital to democracy. As the legal battle continues, we are left with questions about what lies ahead. Will Trump's legal maneuvers be successful? How will this case impact the public's perception of presidential accountability? We will closely follow this story and provide updates as new developments emerge. And there you have it, a comprehensive analysis of Trump's desperate attempts to exclude his own conduct in the criminal case. This legal battle raises important questions about the limits of presidential immunity, the boundaries of executive privilege, and the overall accountability of those in power. We encourage our viewers to stay informed and engage in thoughtful discussions around these critical issues. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.